standing here in a basement, and I want to tell you guys a story about passion and what really implementing your passion in your life can do for you. Look at this. This is not, I didn't do this. If you look closely, this is a hockey rink. This guy put in his basement. The rail here, see these little tick marks? These are hockey pucks, right? And these are shots you missed because the goal was likely down here. This family allowed their kid to implement his passion so much they let him hockey up their basement. How cool is that? You can imagine this kid skating around on rollerblades down here and everything like that, and playing hockey on a daily basis, making his shots and stuff like that, cheering for himself and, you know, working on his game, shooting more and more into that goal and less up here, right? And the reason I'm telling you guys this story is I did research, as I said, on the family that used to live here, and looked up their name. And what's interesting is this kid, because just was able to come down here and play hockey probably daily. Imagine the hours. You guys see him skating around in circles down here and stuff like that, making shots every day. We grew up, this kid played for the New York Rangers, right? Was a pro hockey player for the New York Rangers. And part of it had to do with the fact that his parents were willing to allow him to implement his passion and to put a hockey rink in his basement, right? So how far are you willing to go for your passions or for your children's passions? Are you willing to do this? Are you willing to hockey up your basement if it's something you're passionate about? What is your hockey rink in your basement? What is your kids' hockey rink in their basement? Because it may not be this, but it could be something else. There could be some itch that you need to scratch to really exemplify a passion you have, right? Or your kids' passions. So what is this for you? Because maybe if you allow yourself to scratch that itch of that passion, if you allow yourself to go and do something crazy, like hockeying up your basement, this is pretty crazy, right? If you allow yourself to do this, what's possible, right? What is possible for you, if you allowed yourself to really let your passions fly and let it run? Noodle on that for a second. Just thought I'd share that with you. So cool. How often do you see this kind of thing? A little bit of research turned up a cool story. That's what I got for you guys.